To install your hidden hamper, start by inserting the hinges into the pre-drilled holes on the back of the hamper door. Ensure they are perfectly flush and press down firmly to lock the press step mechanism into place. Align the door to your section and secure the hinges to the system using 2 wood screws per hinge. Next, prepare the hammer hanger raw mounts. Measure 45 inches down from the top of the door to provide the hanging component enough clearance to close, staying 1¼ inches from the side. Use a square to mark the intersections on both sides. Then drill and secure the hamper fixture to the door. To manage the door's movement, count up to the 9th hole on the system and attach the lid stay support using Earl screws. Secure the other end of the door at your maximum desired opening length. Do this on both sides. Finally, install your hamper bags to complete your custom hidden laundry solution.